I would now like to provide the floor to the World Uyghur Congress. Please, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Chair. I'm speaking on behalf of the World Uyghur Congress. Ensuring that education is available in one's mother tongue, in particular, does not preclude effective integration into society, but of course can enrich the societies in which the people are members of. Education in one's mother tongue and a second language should not be understood as mutually exclusive, but they of course are complementary. As mentioned by the Secretary General's Envoy for Youth, the representative, multilingualism of course is a reality, and it's a reality that we must face and understand. Education also is really a gateway to the realization of a number of other rights, freedom of movement and expression, as well as to participate in cultural, social, and economic rights and economic life of the state. For example, in June of this year, a directive was issued by the Education Department of the Hotan Prefecture within the Uyghur Autonomous Region of China that includes a population of nearly 2 million Uyghurs. The directive banned the use of the Uyghur language at all education levels, from primary to secondary, beginning September 1st. The directive requires the local authorities prohibit the use of the Uyghur language in conversation and writing throughout the education system, which of course is in clear violation of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, as well as the ICCPR, as well as regional ethnic autonomy law of China. So we're really not talking about what's contained in these conventions that the state in question is a signatory to, but the application, the implementation of these policies. So our recommendations to the forum: first is to reinforce the fact that the right to education in one's mother tongue remains foundational to the realization of a number of other rights, and in particular, economic rights and the right to employment. And we have to understand and acknowledge that these two rights and these rights are very much interdependent. So a question to the Special Rapporteur and the panel is could you elaborate on the relationship between these rights, and is there something that is being done within the forum that might be dealing with this relationship? And secondly, to pay attention to the implementation of conventions relating to these, the right to education in one's mother tongue and education. Thank you.
Thank you very much, representative of the World Uyghur Congress, and also thank you for posing the very first question to our panelists. I let them reflect on this a little bit while we, in the meantime, will take one more statement.